Well, for me, I think it was interesting because I've always wanted to work with Prakash ji. And the role that he's offered me this time is the role of a journalist, which I haven't really essayed before.
का कोई मतलब नहीं होता मानव। तुम्हारे बारे में सब कुछ जानते हुए भी मैंने आंख बंद करके तुम पर विश्वास किया।
A very strong-headed, very insensitive character, and I couldn't say no. And of course, being a part of a film which is socially very relevant right now in our country, I think it's also a very honor to be a part of that. Well, I mean, over the years, looking at popular TV journalists, whether it was abroad or in India, Barkha Dutt or Christian Amanpour, it's the way their personalities are. In some way, it's a little similar to mine because I am headstrong and quite sure about what I want. So the character of mine in Satyagraha is slightly like that. And of course, I think I'm a director's actress, so I don't really prepare as such for the role. And I completely followed exactly what Prakash ji wanted me to do.
When you hear a script and you like the script and you like your character and you think that you can justify this character and that character has potential for you to perform, then filmmaking is a teamwork. You know, people really think that actors in a film, in the same film, try to compete with each other, but they really don't. They actually try to support each other. We support each other, and if we feel that somebody is going somewhere wrong, we even talk and discuss, because I really believe that at the end of the day, that it's the film which works, and every character has to work. So I think every character is very well balanced, and it's come across very well. Prakash Jha has found this right balance between engaging the audience and, in spite of that, trying to say something which is very current and social. So in this film also, as I told you earlier, it's about personal stories. If you talk about a film like any film, you don't want to watch a documentary. This film is a story about a girl who's a journalist, completely occupied with work, has never ever thought about love, how she finds love. A man who's lost his father finds a father, a father who's lost his son finds a son, and how they all get together. Like in every film, there is a problem. Here, the problem is political.
क्या कल तुम चले जाओगे? मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा बाबूजी, मैं यहीं रहूंगा आपके साथ।
I don't know what kind of an impact it's going to have, and the intention is not to have an impact. The intention is to understand and realize what reality is. And I think international audiences also who are connected with India, they also connect somewhere. They feel what is happening in our country, and that's how it's going to connect. And I again say that let's put aside this issue, and it's like a personal story, and you watch a personal story, and which engages you to continually answer what she asked me about films like this. I've done films which are like Gangajal and Aparan, which also had issues and did very, very well because they really engaged the audience. And that's what he's done again.
मिस्टर मानव राघवेंद्र, क्या समझ रखा है आपने हमको? बाराती का ढोल कि आप बजाते रहेंगे और हम डांस करते रहेंगे?
No, like Ajay said, it's not an illustration or a documentary. It's a movie which will have a message, but it will be dramatic. It will be socially relevant. But we're not kind of preaching or talking about philosophy or philosophers and what they actually said and if it's relevant today. So.
Yeah, the bottom line is that what message, if you say it has, is that you can't just sit and open the newspaper in the morning and read about what's happening. If you need to make the change, you need to make the change yourself, and you can contribute to it. So today's generation who's more educated, I mean, you see, you look at India 20 years back and you look at India today, it's changed a lot. And that is only because of literacy. And when today's youth gets up and revolts against something, not violently, but with candles and things like this, so they are getting connected somewhere. And that's how the change will happen. It's happening.
Enough! नौकर हैं आप जनता के और बदतमीजी बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे हम।
I don't actually select my films according to the path that interests me and the path that is offered to me. the length of the role or the fact that I have to be a part in every frame. That's never really been an issue with me. The story interested me. Playing the part of this journalist excited me, and so I decided. And it is. Prakash Jha is known for making films.
But I really don't believe that this is a male oriented film. This film is about people, and when I was talking about we as you guys and youth getting the change in the country, you can also contribute as much as she can. It's got nothing to do with a man or a woman. It's the whole script. It's the character, the whole script, and I am a very lazy actor, so I don't really prepare myself. I follow the director. But sometimes you decide how to play a character. For example, when I was offered Once Upon a Time, and I'd already done Company, so it was a similar character, so I didn't know what to do. And I decided to do it because it was a challenge that, how differently can you play the same thing again? And I managed it. I think you learn a lot. You learn a lot when you get into a conversation with the director and when he's shooting a scene and creating that atmosphere, and you really come to know actually what happens on what is the ground reality, which we really don't come to know. And that shocks you, surprises you, and you want to change it. And all we can do is try to say whatever we want to say through the medium we follow. So yes, it does create an impact on you.
I read somewhere that your character is based on a real life social activist.
It's not.
It's not.
It's not. I think no character is based on any character. I think that we've created characters and we've created normal people coming together. So I think all that what people have been writing is not true.
Correct. And would you ever join politics yourself?
That'd be very bad politics.
अब सिर्फ एक ही एक्शन होगा, पब्लिक का डायरेक्ट एक्शन।